Forget everything you thought you knew about SUV tires. This Forceum HEPTAGON isn't just rubber, it's engineered for a driving experience you might not expect. When you're looking at a tire like the Forceum HEPTAGON SUV in the 275/45 R20 size, you're immediately thinking about that perfect blend of aggressive stance and capable performance for your vehicle. This isn't just a standard replacement, it's designed to elevate your SUV's road presence and handling. What really stands out is the asymmetrical tread type. This isn't just for show, it's a smart design choice that optimizes grip in both wet and dry conditions. You get better cornering stability and more confident braking, which is crucial for any SUV, especially when carrying passengers or cargo. It's a subtle detail that makes a significant difference in how the vehicle feels on the road. With a robust load capacity of 2,337 pounds, this tire is clearly built to handle the demands of modern SUVs, ensuring safety and stability even when fully loaded. That's a reassuring number for anyone who uses their SUV for family trips or hauling gear. And the W speed rating. That's genuinely impressive for an SUV tire, indicating excellent high-speed stability and responsiveness, which speaks volumes about its construction and engineering. It suggests a tire that won't feel mushy or vague when you need precise control. The 8.73 millimeters of tread depth right out of the box is also a good sign, promising a decent lifespan and consistent performance over time. It means you're not just getting immediate grip, but also durability that will last through many miles. Driving on these, you notice a distinct balance. There's a comfortable ride quality that absorbs road imperfections well, but without sacrificing that connected feel to the road. It feels responsive, predictable, and surprisingly quiet for an SUV tire of this caliber. It's a tire that inspires confidence, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. So, if you're in the market for a tire that truly balances performance, safety, and value for your SUV, the Forceum HEPTAGON SUV 275/45 R20 definitely deserves a closer look. It's a strong contender that might just redefine your expectations for what an SUV tire can deliver.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.